I'm Jayanti Shekhar, Gallery Manager and Curator of Art House Bengaluru. So, ಈ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ ಐ ರೈಸ್ ಎಡಿಷನ್ 11 ಬಂದು ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಡೆಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ವಿಮೆನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 12th century to 20th century. ಸೊ ಈ ಹೈಲೈಟ್ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಮೆನಿ ಆಫ್ ಅಸ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಲೈಕ್ ವಿಮೆನ್ ಹೂ ಹವ್ ಪೇಡ್ ಪಾತ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೂ ಹವ್ ಬಿನ್ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಇನ್ ದೇರ್ ಓನ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್. ಅದಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ವಿಮೆನ್ ಹೂ ಹವ್ ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಕರೇಜ್ but also the challenges that they faced. Imagine, when I was just going through, especially with Akka Mahadevi's, in the 12th century for a lady, for a woman, to leave behind everything and walk out of that cabinet, iದ್ರ ಬಂದು ತುಂಬ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಏನಂದರೆ of her courage and, at that time women were not into any kind of, independent ಆಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಆ ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲೂ to let go all her comfort zone and walk out in empty hands, ಇದು ತುಂಬ ಚಾಲೆಂಜಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ನಾನು ವಿಮೆನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುವಾಗ ದ ಅದರ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ವಿಚ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ ಮೀ ವಾಸ್ ನೀರಾ ಆರ್ಯ. ಸೊ ನೀರಾ ಆರ್ಯ ಒಂದು ಶಿ ವಾಸ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ in the military, and second thing for the dedication and loyalty, she killed her own husband when that person was planning to assassinate Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. So ಒಂದು ಬಂದು that of killing her own husband. Second thing, the loyalty that she kept for her country. But ಆ ಲಾಯಲ್ಟಿಗೆ ನಾವೇನು ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಗೇವ್ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಶಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವೆರಿ ಪ್ಯಾಥೆಟಿಕ್ ಟು ಲಿಸನ್. she was put in jail especially, and then tortured to what extent ಅಂದರೆ she was with all that pain, but after independence nobody recognized her. So idu nan tumba kashta aitu when I was reading about her profile. Then lastly, even after independence, after all her sacrifice, she was in the streets of Hyderabad selling flowers, and last days nalli aa tara recognition illde ee loyalty ge ee sacrifice ge ingella agidaralla anta. So these two characters, and of course Mother Teresa, everybody knew because we have read about her sacrifice and her care for the downtrodden people. So like this, once I started reading about them, I said, okay, what did the women achieve our century nalli? One by one, I have the first poet, I have the first artist, first doctor, ಆ ಥರ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡಿಂದ ನಾನು ಅಬೌಟ್ 26, there are many women, but 26 womenನ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಹೈಲೈಟೆಡ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಶೋ ಆರ್ಟ್ ಹೌಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಐ ರೈಸ್ ಎಡಿಷನ್ 11 ಅಂತ ವಿ ಇನಾಗ್ರೇಟೆಡ್. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಶೋ ಅಪ್ ಟಿಲ್ July 30th. ಸೊ ಐ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ಟು ಕಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ understand about women and talk, because every women today, whatever we are doing tomorrow, it's going to be history. So here it's just that it's a glimpse of knowing womanhood and their sacrifice. This has really given me personally a lot of strength and courage to challenge and to face challenges. So I think it's self-explanatory. One can just go through, and we also have a short documentary on the same artist. It is about 18 minutes video. So even that you all can enjoy. Thank you. So we have Mother Teresa, which we have called her humanitarian and Nobel laureate of 12th century. And here we have Akka Mahadevi, the poet from the 12th century. And Mai Bago, it's here, a Sikh warrior and a leader of 17th century. And Sanchi Honnamma, poet and scholar of 17th century. And Safi Banu, she's a pioneering female artist of 17th century. And here, of course, everybody know Rani Chennamma of Kilidi, so brave queen and protector of 17th century. And Jana Begum, the scholar and noble women, I am impressed by her, 17th century. Then Ahilyabai Holkar, queen and administrator from the 18th century. And Rani Velu Nachiyar, freedom fighter from 18th century. And we have Onake Obava from Karnataka, defender of Chitradurga fort, everybody knows the story, from 18th century. Then Mudu Palani, poet and artist of 18th century. And here we have Sunanya Devi, pioneering female artist of 19th century. Gohar Jan, a very well-known vocalist and first recording pioneer of 19th century. She's very well known. And yeah, this is my wall text. And we have Anandi Gopal Joshi, Indian first female doctor of 19th century. Tarabai Shinde, pioneering female thought of, feminist thought process of India in 19th century. Then this is Rukmabai Raut, social reformer from 19th century. And here Savitri Bai Phule, first female teacher and social reformer of 19th century. And here Veena is there. Veena, she's also called Dharmapal. Veena, she's more of South Base Center, and she's a Carnatic vocalist. And Gangubai Hangal, she's from Hindustani Raga from 20th century. And we have a couple of artists here as well. Rukmabai Devi Arunde, she's a cultural visionary of 20th century, very interesting person. And Lakshmi Shegal, freedom fighter from INA leader. She's also from INA leader of 12th century. Neera Arya, I think I spoke about her. This is a woman who inspired me to bring this show. So first women spy of 20th century. Then Mahashweta Devi, writer and activist of 20th century. All here are 20th centuries. This is the documentary that I've done, a short kind of a film, which will give the glimpse of Akka Mahadevi, as I said, from the 12th century to the 20th century. So I believe that whatever you read, but when you have a visual impact, it registers in your mind. And these are the glimpses of the characters that I have portrayed there. So here people find it, we have place to sit, and they can spend, it's about 18 to 20 minutes video, where I request everybody to come and enjoy this.